Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Mug Doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Golden State Mint. Their abbreviation would be GSM, Golden State Mint. Go ahead and check them out. A large variety of items. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Now, I've actually gone ahead and taken this box out of the larger shipping box, which arrived in this box here, but then was in its own kind of styrofoam cocoon, as you can see here. So it was all sandwiched in here and wasn't going anywhere, and there weren't going to be any puncture damage either. So let's go ahead and open the inner box. Get some of these styrofoam fluff out of the way. And let's see. Reinforced tape. The other box had a lot of reinforced tape on it. So now I'm trying to decide which way to get into here. I'm going to use the back of the knife and score the edges. Let's see if we can do an angle cut. So always be careful when opening boxes. Cut away from you, just to be sure. So this is actually away from me as well. This side here. Okay, so this appears to be the bottom of this box. And you can see how they arranged this in here. So we got some tubes. Alright, you see some nice tone right there. Some of these, and you can see this one also had styrofoam padding as well. So, what did we get? We ordered 1 ounce Aztec calendar copper rounds, 120 of them. So that means these would be 20 count tubes. And then these would be 39 millimeter Air-Tite direct fit capsule 1 ounce rounds. So something with to know about Golden State Mint is since they are actually producing their own rounds and bars, etc., they control the size, obviously, and they have set the size of their rounds at 39 millimeters, which makes it very easy to put them within handling capsules. So there's no guesswork as to whether or not a particular lot of rounds has a different dimension than a previous design, or even the same type of round, whether it be produced as a different lot. But let's see if we can go ahead and open one of these, because I'm curious. So you can see each one has been loaded into one of these generic containers and then has reinforced tape. So I'm just going to see if I can actually get this tape started off of here. I don't quite have enough of a surface to grab this. It keeps wanting to fold down. Let's try from this side. There we go. Alright. Didn't quite get all the tape on that one. That's fine. Now we got it off. Okay, so medallion on the top. This appears to be made in the USA, coin safe. So I already got this open here. As you can see, typical round. Let's see if I can go ahead and get some gloves out here. Haven't opened this pack yet. Bear with me. Okay, sure. These are just cheap non-latex, powder-free cleaning gloves, but it'll keep you from transferring oils onto the surface. So we can go ahead and take a look here. So you can see the Aztec calendar. Very fine detail. I don't know if that's being picked up on the camera, but wow. I mean, you can just stare at this with a magnifying glass for quite a while. There's just layers upon layers within each concentric diameter here. And what's going on? I do believe this is facing the right direction. Now if I flip it over, you can see this surface here, 1 ounce, 0.999 fine copper. And then we also have a very nice edge as well. So, and then they would fit, well, these obviously came off like a dispenser roll. They would fit within the holder, just so. So, just taking a quick look at some 1 ounce Aztec calendar copper rounds and some accompanying 39mm Air-Tite direct fit capsule for 1 ounce rounds. And again, these all came from Golden State Mint, abbreviation GSM. Feel free to check them out. A large variety of these types of items, also in other material elements. Hint, hint, gold, silver. Check them out. Golden State Mint. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and other expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and also a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.